Have you ever wondered why Feeld.ai is my go-to field service management software? Honestly, it's not just easy to use, it's incredibly powerful too. It's intuitive, which means our field technicians can jump right in. The AI capability is a game changer. It can analyze technical manuals and provide real-time answers to our technicians out in the field, helping them tackle issues with assets and their maintenance on the spot. The app is straightforward, but packed with everything we need: time tracking, diagnostics, task execution, quoting, inventory management, quality assurance, and so much more. Now, let's talk about our dispatch team. With Feeld.ai, they can easily allocate tasks and track our technicians on a map. It shows their availability and skills in real time, which makes coordination seamless. Plus, the software captures requests from our regular clients, whether they're on contract or even ad hoc requests from new clients. It allows us to manage the entire life cycle of a job, from the initial request to dispatching the right technician, managing spare parts, and tracking activities all the way through to billing. And customers can simply pay online, making everything more efficient. I like to think of it as the Swiss Army knife for our daily operations. With this tool, we ensure our assets stay well maintained, which means our customers stay happy. In the end, it's all about making our jobs easier and delivering the best service possible.